Welcome to Honeycomb. Honeycomb is our new online communication system for parents at O2B Kids. You will love how easy this tool is for helping you stay up to date. You can receive pictures of your child's day by email, view your child's daily report, and even earn badges to celebrate accomplishments in the classroom. To set up your account, go to honeycomb.o2bkids.com. Enter the same email you used to set up your parent portal. Click Forgot Password to get an email to reset it. This will not change your parent portal password, only your login for Honeycomb. For any technical difficulties or help with anything Honeycomb related, please email honeycomb@o2bkids.com. If you have a specific question regarding your child's classroom or to speak to your teacher or director, please reach out to your individual school. To add Honeycomb onto your home screen for an iPhone user, you will go into Safari and type honeycomb.o2bkids.com. After Honeycomb loads on your iPhone, press the share button at the bottom of this page. Swipe and select Add to Home Screen. You can name it whatever you would like. I've named it Honeycomb, and all you have to do is hit Add. When you log on to your dashboard for Honeycomb, you will be able to select which child you would like to view. To view a moment, you select Portfolio, and you'll see that some of them can be reminders from the teacher, and some of them are also pictures of what they've been doing in the classroom. Daily reports are for kids aged 2 and younger. To view your child's daily report, select which child you want to view. Then click Reports. This report is from your child's teacher about their day. This will tell you how much snack and lunch they ate, as well as what was for lunch and at what time. This report also shows you how long they napped and when their diaper was changed or any attempts to use the potty. You can view other days by clicking the different pages. When you log into your dashboard on Honeycomb, you will be able to select which child you want to view. You can view their moments from their classroom, their badges they have earned, and also see how many learning days they have had with us. Looks like she's had 885 learning days with us so far. Let's look at how many badges she has earned with us. It looks like she's earned 6 badges. So these are the ones that she has earned while being with us. And then if you click Unearned, it'll show you all the badges that you are able to get.